Good morning, children. Direct and indirect speech. I hope you have understood this part. Changes of tenses. Please learn all the examples. Now see rule number 4. Pronouns. How to change direct to indirect using pronoun. First of all, children, as I have explained you in previous video, the pronoun, kinds of pronoun. In personal pronoun is divided into 3 categories. First person, I, we, me, us, mine, ours. Second person, thou, thee, you, yours. Third person, he, she, him, hers, they, them, theirs, it. So, first person, second person and third person. Children, please learn this. All examples of first person, second person, third person. Then only you will be able to change direct to indirect without any mistake. Now see how you will do. John said, I am busy. Now, in this one, first of all, you will see which one is pronoun. You know now this is reported verb and this is reported speech. So, in reported speech, which one is pronoun? I is pronoun. First person pronoun. In that case, you have to change according to subject of reported verb. Which one is subject? John. John said, replace inverted commas with conjunction that. John said that. Now you have to change this. See subject. John is boy. So he was busy. Simple present change into simple past. Now see next one. She said, I have done my work. Which one is pronoun? This is pronoun. First person pronoun. So how you will change? She said that. Replace inverted commas with conjunction that. Now you have to see subject. Subject is she. That means she said that she had done her work. Present perfect change into past perfect. He said, I shall do my best. So which one is pronoun here? This is pronoun. First person pronoun. In that case, you have to see subject. He said that he would do his best. Shall will change into should, but when I here becomes he in reported speech, then in that case shall will change into would. I said I will not go there. First person pronoun. So you have to see subject. Subject is I. I said that I would will change into would not go there. I said the girl calls me. I said that the girl called me. Now see second rule. Pronoun of the second person in direct speech. Now in this case you have to see this is reported verb and this is reported speech. You have to see pronoun. Which one is pronoun? This is pronoun. This is second person pronoun. Okay. So in that case you have to see object of reported verb. This is subject and this is object. So you have to now in this one you have to do changes according to object. Now see how we will change. Hari said to me, you are wrong. Said to will change into told. Hari told me that you will change into I. Why? You have to see object. And why? This is second person pronoun. Okay, second person. So, Hari told me that I was wrong. Ali said to Ashok, you are a good boy. Said to will change into told. Ali told Ashok, conjunction that, and now you have to see object. He was a good boy. Here you have to change according to tenses. Sita said to Kamla, you are a good girl. Sita told Kamla that you is second person. So you have to see object. She was a good girl. John said to him, you have not done your work. John told him that. Now you have to see object of reported verb. He had not done his work. Present perfect change into past perfect. James said to her, you have done your duty. Now which one is pronoun? This is pronoun. Second person pronoun. So you have to see object. James told her that she had done her duty. Said to will change into told. Now see this rule. Pronoun of third person. Now in reported speech, this is pronoun of third person. This is third person pronoun. So in that case, you will not change. You will not see subject, neither you will see your subject, neither object. No changes. Only you have to change here tenses. Hari told. Said to will change into told. Me will same, you have to copy. Then conjunction that. Then same you will copy. Why? Because this is third person pronoun. He said to me, she was right. Then she is third person pronoun. Then how you will change? He said to will change into told. He told me that she, same, was right. Simple past will, yes. She, because this is third person pronoun. Now look at the exercises. John said, I am ill. This is first person pronoun. So John said, he was ill. See, you have to see here, subject. Like see in this one, James said, I am quite well. I is pronoun, first person pronoun. So you have to see subject. Now how you will change? James said that he was quite well. She said, I am very busy. First person pronoun, so you have to see subject. She said that she was very busy. Now you can see number 9. You said to me, you will go there. Which one is pronoun? This is pronoun, second person. Okay. So in that case, you have to see object. You have to do changes according to object. Now how you will do? You said to will change into told. You told me that I, why? Because me is there. I would go there. You said to her, you are wrong. So said to will change into told. So you told her that her is there. So she was wrong. Are you understanding, children? Now see number 13. Sita said to Bimla, you have not learnt your lesson. This is second person pronoun. So you have to do changes according to object. In first person pronoun, you have to do changes according to subject. So in this one, Sita told Bimla that she had not learnt her lesson. See this rule? In first person pronoun, you will see subject. You will do changes according to subject. In second person pronoun, you will do changes according to object of reported verb. And in third person pronoun, there will be no changes. Same you have to copy. Okay, children? As I have explained you in my previous video that to change to direct or indirect speech, first of all you have to see pronoun. That pronoun is first pronoun or second pronoun or third one. So see in this example, John said, I am ill. First what you have to see? Reporting verb. This one is reporting verb. And this part is reported speech. So, of course, you have to change. So, in this, how you will change? First of all, you will see pronoun. I is pronoun, first personal pronoun. So, in first personal pronoun, you will see subject. Which one is subject? John. So, John said, you have to replace inverted commas with conjunction that. John said that, see, I will change into he. Why? Because subject is John is he. So he was ill. And rules is simple present change into simple past. So am will change into was. So John said that he was ill. Now see another one. My brother said, I have been very ill. So I is first personal pronoun. In this what you will see? Subject. Subject is my brother. What is subject? My brother is subject. So see, my brother said that I will change into he because my brother. He had been very ill. Present perfect change into past perfect. You know the children? Now see this one. He said to her, you are a good girl. This is second person pronoun. Okay? So you have to see in second person pronoun you have to see object. So he told her. Said to will change into told. Understanding, children? Listen very carefully. He told her that she, why you have to see object? This one is subject. So in second person pronoun you have to see object. So he told her that she was a good girl. Now see last one. John said to me, you are right. So which one is subject? This one is subject. Which one is object? This one is object. And which one is second personal pronoun? This is second personal pronoun. So in second personal pronoun you will see object. So John told me. Said to will change into told. John told me that second person pronoun me. So me will change to I. John told me that I was right. So children, is it clear to you? In first person pronoun you will see subject, and in second person pronoun you will see object.